Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a look at the EDATEC Raspberry Pi 5 cases, promising passive cooling and sleek design. Let's see if these cases live up to the hype. I'm your host, and let's get started. First impressions matter, and these cases catch the eye. The aluminum build gives them a premium feel, reminiscent of high-end electronics. Whether you prefer the open-air design of the EDATEC 5 case OS, OB, or the CNC aluminum finish of the EDATEC 5 case BS, BB, EDATEC offers options for everyone. But beauty isn't everything. Functionality matters too. Port access is crucial for any Raspberry Pi setup, and here's where we encounter a minor hiccup. While most ports are easily accessible, connecting accessories like cameras or displays might require some extra effort due to the design of the cases. However, with a bit of patience, it's manageable. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, cooling. The passive cooling mechanism of these cases impressed us during testing. Even under heavy load, both the EDATEC 5 case OS, OB, and the EDATEC 5 case BS, BB maintained cool temperatures, ensuring optimal performance of your Raspberry Pi 5. But there's a trade-off for this efficient cooling. The Wi-Fi performance, especially in the EDATEC 5 case BS, BB, is slightly impacted due to the aluminum construction. While it's not a deal-breaker, users might notice a slight decrease in speed compared to a direct Ethernet connection. In conclusion, EDATEC offers solid options for Raspberry Pi 5 enthusiasts. The EDATEC 5 case BS, BB, with its premium aluminum build, provides excellent cooling performance but might sacrifice a bit of Wi-Fi speed. On the other hand, the EDATEC 5 case OS, OB offers a more budget-friendly option without compromising much on cooling or accessibility. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, I'm the host, signing off. Happy tinkering!